How to add Afterpay to Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add Afterpay to Cash App. So it's really simple. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So the first step is simply open up your Cash App. After you've opened up your Cash App, there you will see a search icon. It sometimes is here or sometimes it's right around here. So tap on the search icon and you'll be redirected to this page right here. What you'll need to do is tap on the search icon where you can discover, and after you tap on it, all you have to do is search for Afterpay. After you search for Afterpay, you can then select it and start using it. So it's that simple to add Afterpay to your Cash App. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.